Another feature of the Go programming language is methods. Methods are like functions that you declare to be attached to a certain struct type. Method declaration is very function-like. You start with the func keyword, then you declare what type of struct is going to be associated with the method. Here I'm going to attach it to a vertex struct that I've been working with. Next you give it a method name, then parameters, and lastly a return type. Inside this method body, I am going to take the value of the parameters being set in, take those fields, add them to the fields of the vertex type struct that is receiving the message, and return those summed fields as a value. And then return the value. In the main function, let's declare a new vert. And another. This one we're going to send the original vert, our add vertex method, along with the parameter, and run this in the terminal. And sure enough, everything works as we expected. The original value of our first vert here is 4.2, and after we send a message to it, the return value is 7.5. Now let's change our method around a little bit. Instead of returning value, let's go ahead and take this parameter that we passed in and simply increment the value of the vertex struct that is receiving the message. So get rid of the return and get rid of the return value. This is going to be like a void method. And change our body to reflect this. We are simply incrementing the fields of the struct that is receiving the advert method call. And instead of returning that vertex, we're just going to increment. And now let's see if this works. And no, it did not. Let's check and see what's actually going on within our method. And run this on the right. And you can see that inside the method we have incremented the field values. However, once we return, because this has been passed as a by-value method, the value of the fields revert. To fix this, all we have to do is cast our method to be a by-reference method. Save that. And now you see this method actually acts on a pointer, which is what this ampersand indicates. And after the method returns, the internal fields of the struct have been changed.